Hello, this is the shoulder stretch sequence that I call the Great Minnesota Hello. Remember, we're going to be standing with our feet hip width apart, and the secret to this stretch is contracting the shoulder blades together in the upper back. We're going to start with the arms straight in front, bring them right back, squeeze the shoulders, come up 20 degrees, straight back, squeeze the shoulders, keep the elbows long. And you're coming up another 20 degrees, turn the thumbs out, squeeze the shoulder blades together and bring it back. Okay, last one. Lace the hands. Don't touch the back of your head, just place them there. And again, squeeze those shoulders. All right, here's the poem. Hi, how are ya? Bring your arms back together. Come up 20 degrees. How you doing? Keep your elbows long. Come up 20 degrees again. Turn the thumbs out, elbows long. Where are you going? Okay, hands laced, elbows back. Are you going to have a siesta? All right, thank you. That is the Great Minnesota Hello.